everybody. Welcome once again to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva, and the day is Wednesday, and the vibration, the personality, the archetype is the communicator. It's an independent day, very independent. So try not to feel too attached to anything today. Don't let anybody tell you what to do, just do your thing today. No matter where you have the communicator in your own blueprint, this independent, think for yourself energy is more abundant today, Wednesday. What else is the communicator all about? Telegrams. Remember telegrams? Well, there you go. It was a form of communication, right? It's about testimonies. It's about speech and the organs of speech. Stenographers. Shrewdness. Yes, the communicator can be shrewd. It's about studies and studiousness. Yeah, knowledge. Communicator is all about knowledge and learning and deep thinking. It's about the sense of touch. People who have this communicator spiritually especially they can put their hands over something and just feel the energy. We've been speaking all week about the person that these personalities, archetypes, vibrations relate to. And let's see, we said Sunday is the father, and Monday is the mother, and Tuesday are the siblings. What's Wednesday? What's the communicator? Friends and relatives. Friends and relatives. So wear some green today. I know I'm wearing blue. Don't have much green. But you might. Burn some cedar incense. Do some deep thinking. Retain your independence. And enjoy the vibration of Communicator Wednesday.